Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing that you made $500 while you were sleeping. No selling, no client calls, no clocking in at a 9 to 5, no products to ship. Just automated income flowing into your account day after day, even while you're on vacation. Sounds impossible? It's not. In this video, I'll show you exactly how regular people are making $500 or more per day without having to work, using a simple online business model you can start today. So stay tuned, because this might be the smartest thing you watch all week. Subscribe to the channel for more real-world strategies to make money online. No hype, just results. Before we get started, let's be clear. I'm not talking about get-rich-quick scams. I'm not talking about crypto pumps or shady deals. I'm talking about building a real automated income stream based on one of the most powerful business models online today: monetized YouTube cash cow channels. These are faceless YouTube channels that generate passive income through ad revenue, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. Once the videos are created and uploaded, they keep earning for months or even years. And no, you don't need to be on camera. You don't need to talk. You don't need to be famous. Thousands of small creators are quietly making $100 to $500 a day or more on complete autopilot. Let's dive in. So why does this business model work so well? Let's break it down. 1. YouTube pays you for views. Through the YouTube Partner Program, you earn a cut of the ad revenue shown on your videos. The more views you get, the more money you make, even if you're not actively working. 2. Videos become digital assets. A single well-performing video can earn money for months or years after you upload it. 3. You can outsource everything. You don't have to write scripts, record voiceovers, edit videos, or create thumbnails yourself. You can hire freelancers to do it, turning the channel into a true automated system. 4. It scales. You can run multiple channels, upload dozens or hundreds of videos, and stack your income streams. And here's the key. This works for normal people, not just YouTube stars. Even small channels in profitable niches can make serious money on autopilot. Let's talk numbers. How much can you actually make? Here's a realistic example. A well-optimized video in a good niche can earn between $5 and $20 per 1,000 views. 100,000 views equals $500 to $2,000. If your channel consistently gets 50,000 to 100,000 views per day across your videos, you can easily earn $500 plus per day without having to work on the videos anymore. And remember, once a video is up, it keeps earning forever. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to start your own cash cow channel. Step 1. Pick a profitable niche. Good ones include luxury, motivation, tech gadgets, personal finance, travel, health and fitness, meditation. Step 2. Research winning content. Study top videos in your niche. Look at their titles, thumbnails, and video structure. Step 3. Build your team. Go to Fiverr or Upwork to hire scriptwriter, voiceover artist, or use AI voice tools, video editor, thumbnail designer. Step 4. Upload optimized videos. Focus on click-worthy titles, engaging thumbnails, strong intros to retain viewers, videos at least 8 to 10 minutes long for more ad placements. Step 5. Be consistent. Upload at least 3 to 5 videos per week. It takes time to gain traction, but momentum will build. Step 6. Monetize. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, apply for the YouTube Partner Program. Also add affiliate links and look for sponsorships. Here's the beauty of this model. You can automate almost everything. Once you have a reliable team, your job is simply to manage the process. Give your team video ideas, approve scripts and thumbnails, upload the final videos. That's it. You don't have to edit, you don't have to record, you don't have to appear on camera. And once your channel is monetized and bringing in views, you can scale it or even build more channels. So, can you really make $500 a day without having to work? Yes, if you're willing to set up the system and let it run. Remember, this isn't about getting rich overnight. but it is about building a real automated income stream that can grow month after month, even if you start with very little money. And you? Are you interested in building an income stream, even if you don't have a lot of money to invest? I'm not promising you millions. I'm talking about real results, results that can change your life. If that sounds good to you, click the link in the description or the pinned comment. I've put together some free resources to help you take your first step today. The best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is right now. See you inside.